Wow, do you hear the music? It's because it's already Christmas time. So, in this occasion, we're going to read and listen to a Christmas story. Listen to the story and answer the questions. On the forum, you will answer. Number 1. What do you imagine is Sam's gift, Sam's present? What is he searching for? Number 2. Describe Sam, physically and his personality. Number 3. What do you want for Christmas? What do you want? Do you want a bike? Do you want an iPad? Do you want a game? What do you want for Christmas? Let's begin. Sam's Christmas present. Sam just can't wait to see what's his secret Christmas present. Sam was a curious boy, and what he was curious about was his Christmas present. "Mommy, where is my Christmas present?" asked Sam. She smiled and said, "It's a secret, Sam." Sam stuck his tongue out and went in search of his father. "Daddy, where is my Christmas present?" asked Sam. "I can tell you. It's a secret, Sam," his father replied, smiling. "I know what to do," Sam said. "I will go gift hunting." Not here. He looked behind his father's desk, and he found a gift box wrapped in bread paper. "But this is for Aunt Hoo-Hoo," said Sam, reading the tag. So he slipped into his parents' room, and he found a gift box wrapped in gold paper. "For Uncle Elfie," Sam read aloud from the tag. Then he opened his mother's cupboard, and he found a gift box wrapped in purple paper. "For our daughter Sophie," was written in the tag. Sam went back to his room and sat on the floor feeling very sad. He had badly wanted to find his present. And then he saw a gift box wrapped in silver paper under his bed. "This is for me," he shouted, reading the tag. Sam shook the box. He turned it around in his hands. What was inside? Oh, what could it be? Did he open it or leave it in the secret place? Are you curious to know what Curious Sam did with his gift? Well, he just put it back. He put it back under the bed and decided to wait for Christmas time. This is by Annie Besant. Now remember to answer on the forum the following questions. Let's read them again. What do you imagine is Sam's gift? Number 2, describe Sam physically and also his personality. And number 3, what do you want for Christmas? What are you expecting for a present? Once you have answered the questions, we got a surprise for you. Christmas handcrafts. Watch the following ideas. On the activity, you will watch a video with some Christmas handcrafts that are easy. Some cards, some toilet roller paper ideas, and you can make one and show it on the forum. Show it to your partners and comment on the ideas that you like the most. Thank you so much and Merry Christmas. We love you.